name's Anthony Medical, SVG founder and CEO, author of Win the Game, producer of Win the Storm. Your goal when you leave here in 2019 is to figure out how to evolve your companies, evolve yourself, evolve or dissolve. Booyah, baby, let's go.
Nobody ever told me that my expectation when I was 16 was to be the #1 motivational speaker of the world.
Win the storm, baby. We're going after it. Y'all hear me? This is the year to chase the storm and make all your dreams become a reality. Booyah, baby!
Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now we here.
2019 Win the Storm. Amazing keynote speakers. We had our second annual award ceremony within the industry and our first women's panel.
Now we here. Now we here. Now we here. Now we here. Now we here.
Can you restoration contractors think of a more important topic than whether or not you don't know if you're committing a Class 3 felony?
You start threatening bad faith, you're acting as a lawyer, you're doing everyone, including the homeowner, a disservice.
Why am I doing the homeowner a disservice if I'm fighting for the homeowner?
You're acting as a lawyer without a license. Do you support, John, the unauthorized practice of law?
So what is the industry trying to do? And Steve spends a lot of time at this with UPPA stuff and meeting with those attorney generals and going into their offices and saying that the predatory Inc. are the storm chasers.
What is the big takeaway for you?
The biggest takeaway here is all the great contractors, all the attorneys, and then all the public adjusters. It's phenomenal here.
They're in the roofing industry and they want to meet the people that are out here and network and build that rapport with all of these companies in the business. This is the place to do it.
Everyone's out here trying to help the homeowners, making sure that they're taken care of, getting the best roofs on their homes, and that's what this whole thing is about.
It's changed the game for me, just structuring my business. I'm at a really good place now.
Win the Storm 2019, and we're going virtual. We are leveling up.
This is more like this is a must-have in your, right? See?
Revolutionary. That is.
I told you.
I love it.
What I'm about to show you next is SVG Virtual Reality VR. It's a fully immersed 360 experience as if you're actually there.
This is insane.
That's dope.
Yeah, that's dope.
My name is John Marone. I'm a transformational coach and speaker. I have no voice because we just tapped into everybody's inner strength, gave them habits to go ahead and create the ultimate version of them and help them crush those limited beliefs that's always been holding them back. This is John Marone. We're at Win the Storm.
Take it home 2019, evolve or dissolve. Booyah, baby, let's go.